Hi, today I'm going to show you Smarter Excel Integration, which is an add-in that plugs into Excel and lets you easily sync document sheets into Smartsheet. So let's authenticate. Then right there, download the zip, unzip, run the install. So when it's installed, then you open any Excel sheet. Based on the sheet on Excel, then you've got the add-in menu. So first and foremost, we have to configure with our user token. So let me type my token. It's safe. So then you've got token has been saved and is valid. Then we can send all that sheet into Smartsheet. So we've got that pop-up. Do we want to keep or not the first line? No, we'll keep it. Then we would like to pick a sheet ID where to store that into. So I will create on Smartsheet a sheet. I will create a sheet for that. Just a second. In Excel demo. Right there. So I've got a blank new sheet. I will get the ID and paste that. Update sheet. And right now it's processing. So first it will pass the data and only then upload the data. The number is not, that number is not totally accurate because of some Excel features. And we just have to wait. So this is, as you might see, very big. So it will take a long time. Okay. I will cancel and I'm gonna remove many rows because it's too big. So let's say I'm deleting all these ones. It's still quite big. Still, how many rows? Effective rows? 2000. Yeah, it's way too more. So I will delete way more rows. Yeah, more likely. So send to, once again, update sheet. How many rows do we have? 200. It has passed the row, and right now it's building the data to send and only then sending the data. There it will, yeah, push the data. And so that's it. Any questions? No? Perfect. Hold on.